Hey, collective. Welcome to Gang Stalking 101, where I share with you various tactics that these gang stalkers love to use against the targeted individual. But specifically, I want to talk about a tactic that they attempted to use against me a little while back. This is a perfect example of what these heinous people do daily to targeted individuals. I was visiting a church for the first time, along with several other women. We were all in the van riding to this church. Before we got there, the person driving us makes an announcement to everyone in the van. And they say, "Listen up, girls. I just want to warn you that this is a very loving and welcoming sort of a church. So whenever you walk in, there are going to be strangers who come up to you. They are going to hug you. They are going to tell you how happy that they are that you are here." And yada, 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 right? And so we get off the bus, we walk into the church, and the speech that we just heard, it was true for everyone in the van, except me, right? Except the targeted individual. There were many different church members walking up to everyone on the van. They were introducing themselves. They were welcoming them. They were hugging them. But not me. Not little old Rusty. And that was very strategically done. Right? See what they did there? Because the goal is to make the targeted individual feel badly. The goal is to make us feel different, wrong, bad, unliked, unworthy. All of those nasty, bad, negative emotions. They expected for me to walk into that church and see everyone else around me being welcomed with open arms, and they expected me to be heartbroken about that. It was supposed to hurt my feelings. I was supposed to feel sad about that. Why wasn't anyone welcoming me? Why isn't anyone hugging me? That was their aim. That was their intention. But, I don't know. I guess what they have yet to figure out is that once you understand what's going on with the gang stalking, once you gain a firm grasp as to what they're doing and as to why they're doing it, you no longer give a shit, right? Knowledge of what's going on literally zaps any and all of the power away. Like, yes, I fully understand that you are trying to make me feel badly. You are trying to make me feel outcasted and different. And therefore, I refuse to give you what I know that you want. Knowing takes their power away, which is why I am sharing this with you. If you are targeted and anything like this happens to you, do not allow them to make you feel badly. In fact, collective, I feel like we should feel just the opposite. We should feel special and blessed in a really great and grand sort of a way. Because you see, we are not like these gang stalkers. We are not like the satanic and dark, mindless followers that they are. We're not like that. We are of the light. We are true, legitimate children of God. And we are so uniquely special that we have to have hordes of people gang up on us, all in an attempt to make us feel unworthy. See, all of that just tells me that I am incredibly worthy. And I sincerely pray that it tells you the same thing if you are also targeted. Much love. I love you all so much.